What is pharmacokinetics? First, let's understand what is pharmacokinetics before we deep dive into various concepts of it. Let me explain you in simple language. When you take any medicine or drug, your body does some funny things to it which affect the drug and its therapeutic properties, such as absorption. Drug is ingested by the mouth and it is absorbed into body from gut, stomach and intestine. Once the drug gets absorbed, it is distributed into whole body via blood circulation. It is also metabolized by various biochemical reactions happening in your body. Then the last stage is excretion, which means the drug is completely excreted or removed from the body. Drug went through various events after taking it: absorption, metabolism, distribution, excretion. Pharmacokinetics is a study of absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drug. That's what pharmacokinetics is.